Our today's recipe is very quick and easy recipe of chicken, which is really very delicious in taste. It is chicken masala, and the ingredients for which are in a bowl. We will take quarter piece of dried coconut, which we are going to cut in small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds or khashkash, 8 to 10 cashew nuts, 8 to 10 almonds, 4 to 5 cloves, 6 to 8 green cardamoms, 1 piece mace or javitri, half teaspoon of black peppercorns. Add 1 cup of hot water and let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Take 1 kg of chicken in a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of onion paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 cup of beaten curd, we will grind the dry fruit and whole spices which we have soaked before to a fine paste and then add it to our chicken. Mix everything nicely. We are going to marinate our chicken pieces for 3 to 4 hours. Cover the lid and let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. Heat oil. Add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or desi ghee. Add 1 medium thinly sliced onion, 1 cinnamon stick. We will fry our onions till they are golden in color. Color of the onions are changed. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Mix well. We are going to roast our chicken pieces till the moisture is evaporated and the color of the chicken is changed. Stir the chicken pieces occasionally so that our spices may not get burnt. We will roast it till the oil is separated. It is almost done. Oil has started to release and the chicken pieces are tender. We are going to give it a smoky flavor by placing in a light charcoal and then pouring some ghee over it, covering the lid and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes so that all the flavors are nicely infused in our chicken. Our chicken masala is ready. You can enjoy it with chapatis, naan or parathas.